How to get $100 eBay promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Type in eBay promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is a legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for eBay. Once you're in this website, just scroll down and check out the offers: 50% off, 40% off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you'll get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on redeem at eBay. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for eBay. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. So this way, you can easily get up to $100 working promo code for eBay. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.